What's up, guys? Welcome back. Process for Profits. I wanted to talk to you guys today about a conference call I got off with my CPA. Pretty informative call, and the difference. And I wanted to talk with you guys about the difference between $1,000 or $1,200 plus $5 for children, and a minimum of $25,000. That's the difference when you break it down between what a person is going to get and what a business is going to get. Minimums. I think that's pretty impactful, and I think if that doesn't clarify to you the importance of being a business owner in America and starting a business, at least right now, if nothing else taught you in history or your life or wherever you've been, right now is the time to start a business. Because all this trillions and billions and all of this money that they're going to give out, a majority of it is going to go to industries, service industries, businesses. And a lot of those businesses are not going to hire back those employees that they're having to lay off. That's big. So you're going to save the company, and the company's going to go to automation. What about the people, right? You don't want to be the people in this situation. We are the people, but what I'm saying is you want to be a business owner that looks out for his employees if you have them, and at a minimum looks out for his own economy. Right now, you do not want to be in a position of waiting for $1,000. That has to be stressful, waiting for $1,000. I'd rather be in a position to pay somebody $1,000 to ensure I get 24 back. Yeah, let that sink in. Business owners are applying for loans, $25,000. Some that don't got to be paid back for a full year. Each circumstance is different. But that's a better circumstance to be in than a circumstance where you're waiting on, $1,000 or $1,200. Like, you don't want to be in that situation, man. You don't want to be in that situation. Take this time while social distancing, as they said, and work on your craft. Work on something new. Get some new skills. Buy somebody's course. Invest in yourself. Get off Facebook and buying into the panic. Because you can panic or you can prepare. You need to be stacking shillings right now. Coins, ducats, money, cash. That's what you need to be stacking and focusing on. Not if and when. Not if and when. To the business owners that filed taxes in 2018, I really hope you didn't claim a loss. It's going to come back to bite you in the ass right now. Because if everybody's getting money, then how can you show an ability to repay when you say you didn't make no money in your business? That's a no-go. Again, that's kitchen tishing business ownership. Claim some profits so you can get some money off all your efforts of dragging slaying and being independent in the economy. Otherwise, you're playing yourself. It just doesn't make no sense. So if you claim the loss, apply, but your chances of getting the money ain't that good if you can't pay. But still apply because it's more than $1,000 that they get.